Welcome to the Walking TV channel. Today, we're pitting two Turkish giants against each other, Antalya versus Istanbul. It's a showdown between sun-soaked beaches and centuries-old city streets. Are you a fan of turquoise waters and lazy afternoons, or do you crave the buzz of history and culture? By the end, you'll know which city is your perfect Turkish getaway. We'll explore sparkling beaches, ancient palaces, and everything in between. Ready to choose your adventure? Let's dive in. Let's start in Antalya, the jewel of the Turkish Riviera. Think endless beaches, Konyaaltı's pebbles with mountain views, or Lara's golden sands lined with extravagant resorts. Each beach has its own vibe city energy at Konyaaltı, pure indulgence at Lara. Venture further and you'll find hidden gems like Kaputa's Beach, a turquoise cove at the bottom of a gorge. The water is so clear it looks unreal. Antalya's coastline is all about variety. Bustling city beaches one day, secluded coves the next. Whether you want adventure or just a nap in the sun, there's a spot for you. The atmosphere is relaxed, perfect for unwinding and soaking up the Mediterranean. Families play, couples stroll, and everyone seems genuinely happy to be there. The sun warms your skin, the sea breeze cools you down, it's bliss. Beyond the main beaches, you'll find quiet bays that feel like your own secret paradise. It's not about parties, it's about peace, nature, and simple contentment. You can parasail, jet ski, or just float and watch the sky. Antalya is a sun worshipper's dream. The beauty here is in the contrast. Mountains meet sea, city meets nature. Every day offers a new way to relax or explore. If you crave sun, sand, and serenity, Antalya delivers. It's the ultimate escape for anyone who loves the sea. Ready for a change of pace? Let's head north. Istanbul awaits. Welcome to Istanbul, a city that is history itself. Here, every street and stone tells a story spanning empires. Start at the Hagia Sophia, a marvel of architecture, blending Christian mosaics and Islamic calligraphy. Across the square, the Blue Mosque dazzles with its blue Iznik tiles and soaring minarets. Topkapi Palace reveals the opulence of the Ottoman sultans. Wander its courtyards and imagine the intrigue. Beneath your feet, the Basilica Cistern offers a mysterious, echoing world of columns and ancient secrets. Istanbul's history isn't locked in museums. It's alive in the streets, the call to prayer, and the daily rhythm of life. Stand on the Galata Bridge and you're literally between continents, past and present. The city's energy is vibrant, its history palpable. From the ancient hippodrome to the bustling bazaars, every corner is a lesson in civilization. Istanbul is for the curious, the explorers, the lovers of stories. Here, you don't just visit history, you live it. It's a city that wears its past like a cloak, inviting you to step inside. If you want your vacation to be an education, Istanbul is your classroom. Ready for something more intimate? Let's return to Antalya. There's a hidden world waiting. Next stop, Kaleci. Let's go. Back in Antalya, step into Kaleci, the city's enchanting old town. Lose yourself in winding cobblestone streets, surrounded by Roman and Ottoman walls. Pass through Hadrian's Gate and leave the modern world behind. Ottoman-era houses draped in bougainvillea line the lanes, many now cozy hotels or artisan shops. Every turn reveals a hidden courtyard, a tiny mosque, or a burst of color. At the bottom, the old Roman harbor sparkles, perfect for sunset views and a cup of Turkish tea. By day, it's peaceful and picturesque. By night, it buzzes with music and laughter. Kaleci is history on a human scale, intimate, charming, and endlessly photogenic. It's the perfect counterpoint to the beach, offering culture without crowds. Here, every detail tells a story. Now let's shop, Turkish style. Istanbul's Grand Bazaar is a world of its own, over 4,000 shops in a maze of color and sound. The air is thick with spices, leather, and sweet Turkish delight. Lose yourself among mosaic lamps, carpets, and gold jewelry. Haggling is an art here. Shopkeepers invite you in, offer tea, and share stories behind their wares. Each section specializes leather, ceramics, silks, antiques. Even if you buy nothing, the experience is unforgettable. People watching, history, and chaos all rolled into one. The bazaar is a living piece of Istanbul's soul, run by families for generations. It's intense, overwhelming, and absolutely magical. While Antalya's Kaleci offers boutique charm, the Grand Bazaar is epic in scale. Here you'll find a treasure and a story to take home. Shopping in Istanbul isn't just about souvenirs, it's about memories. Ready for nature's wonders? Antalya has more to show. Let's chase waterfalls. Antalya isn't just beaches, its waterfalls are breathtaking. Start with Dudin Waterfalls. The upper falls are a tranquil oasis, where you can walk behind the curtain of water. The lower falls are pure drama, plunging off cliffs straight into the Mediterranean. Take a boat tour for the best view. Mist on your face, thunder in your ears. Further afield, Kursunlu Waterfall offers a fairy tale forest, emerald pools, and wooden bridges. It's peaceful, lush, and alive with wildlife. These waterfalls are a refreshing contrast to the coast, showing Antalya's wild green side. Perfect for a day trip or a break from the sun. Here, nature is the star, powerful, serene, and unforgettable. Antalya's variety is its strength. One day the beach, the next a hidden waterfall. It's a destination for explorers and dreamers alike. Now, let's return to Istanbul for a final, unforgettable journey. The Bosphorus awaits. All aboard. No trip to Istanbul is complete without a Bosphorus cruise. Glide between Europe and Asia, watching the city's skyline unfold, palaces, mosques, and modern towers side by side. Pass Ottoman mansions, grand palaces, and bustling waterfronts. See daily life on the water, ferries, fishermen, and families enjoying the view. Sail under the mighty Bosphorus bridges connecting continents and cultures. The cruise ties Istanbul's story together, old and new, east and west. It's the city's ultimate postcard, and you're right in the middle of it. Whether you choose a quick ferry or a private tour, it's a memory you'll never forget. Istanbul is a city of connections, geographical, historical, and personal. Ready to choose your perfect Turkish adventure? Antalya or Istanbul? Sun-drenched relaxation or a whirlwind of history? Antalya is for unwinding by the sea, Istanbul for exploring the ages. There's no wrong answer, just the city that fits your travel dreams. Maybe the perfect trip is both. Which city won you over? Let us know in the comments. Like and subscribe for more adventures with Walking TV. Thanks for joining us. See you on the next journey.